5, 6, 7.
Hey, jingity jing, it's Dominick the Donkey. Jingity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La la la, la 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 la. Santa's got a little friend, his name is Dominick, the cutest little donkey. You'll never see him kick. When Santa visits his paisans, with Dominick he'll be, because the reindeer cannot climb the hills of Italy. Hey, jingity jing, it's Dominick the Donkey. Jingity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Jingle bells around his feet and presents on the sled. Hey, look at the Mayor's Derby on top of Dominick's head. A pair of shoes for Louis and a dress for Josephine. The label on the inside says they're made in Brooklyn. Hey, jingity jing, it's Dominick the Donkey. Jingity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Children sing and clap their hands and Dominick starts to dance. They talk Italian to a man he even understands. Kumbaras and kumbaras do they dance ad arandel. When Santa the Gola comes to town and brings Ujucharil. Hey, jingity jing, it's Dominick the Donkey. Jingity jing, the Italian Christmas donkey. La 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 la. Hey, Dominick, buon Natale.
This dance is Dominick the Donkey, choreographed by my kitchen. It's a 32 count, 2 line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, cross rock, recover, side chassé, cross, back, coaster, step. Section 2, step forward, pivot a quarter turn, left shuffle a half turn, left shuffle a half turn, left step forward, pivot a quarter turn, left to face 6. Section 3, cross side, cross side, cross side, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, forward. Last section, rock forward to recover, triple a forward, turn right, rock forward, recover, coaster, step. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. There is a 6 count tag that happens 3 times, facing 6 o'clock at the end of walls 1, 3 and 5. You walk a clockwise circle, stepping right, left, right, left, right, left, with counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you start the dance again, facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and that's the whole dance.